Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So such a manual is concerned about the problems that, for example, you have some built legal or illegal or built by someone or by yourself of Microsoft Office 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016. So we go to the program and I am going to paste something from the web. So I click right mouse and paste is inactive. So you cannot paste, you cannot use it. So what's the problem? The problem is that, for example, here is a program for creating portable apps like as Turbo Studio 19. The problem is in this point isolate clipboard. So it's very good as isolation. So prevents from creating almost everything in registry, in different folders, files, strings, whatever you think. But in this case, when we need to use a program where we copy something, we paste, we recopy, so it's not suitable for that type of program like Microsoft Office. So in this case we need to deactivate this. And so let me show you. I'm going to close this. So you see, paste does not work, it's not active. While in Windows Buffer I have a document ready for pasting. So I'm going to close this one build, and this going to rename this, and this is the same file, but created with Turbo Studio 19, but with the activation of isolate clipboard. So it is renamed. Now I am entering Microsoft Office again. Now I'm going to check. Paste is active, you see. Paste is active. So that's a problem solved. Many people in general, if your Microsoft Office is not portable, so they go in menu, settings, center of security center, and click here, and you need to select the last point and clicking confirming with OK. This is what they use, but it's not for portable program. So such a manual, it is so glorifies the God forever. Glory to the God of Son and our Lord Jesus Christ. Glorify Him, as now we have 50 days of great celebrations.